Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you about the apps you should be you're cautious about. So while you're seeing some Instagram, Facebook, or anything, you will be, you know, come up across some of the apps like this, like I'm tarot reading, numerology, or something like palm reading. So which is something gives free of cost. To just install existing features are there. You can get the predictions, futures, etc., etc., etc. So for this I have installed an app while seeing an Instagram post. So I came across these apps while installing these, so it may take some time. So I'll just quickly give you the details. After installing the apps, it give you some of the basic information, like about your date of birth they will be asking, and just after entering it you will be asked to give some details about the personality, how this person is. That's it, and it doesn't have any extra features. But after installing that, it has 3 days free trial, and after that it will be charging 3000 per week. So it is going to install. I think it is only 40%. I'll just move on, and I'll 50% or 100%. I'll just installing in the app. So I think it will be quickly installed. So I'll just show you how these apps will be directed the money from the bank accounts. So be conscious, you need to unsubscribe these apps from the Google Play Store only, and you will not have option to unsubscribe the app in the app feature also. So the money will be automatically debited if you are not unsubscribed to these apps. So and also you can see similar apps which will be chargeable. So all these apps, or some of them, will be charged for the features. After installing it, if you wanted to purchase something, they will be charged. But these kind of apps are without knowing the person, without person attention, they will be deducting the money from your account. So I am going to show you how it will be deducted. So right, so it is installed, so I'm opening it. So after installing it, just say your name, date of birth, or the kind of things. So just like this I played it, and to unlock these features it asking to start a free trial, and it not mentioning any price. It will be deducting from your account. So after installing and subscribing from the Google Play Store, so you can see that starting May 27th, after the free trial of 3 days, only 3 days, it will be charging 3400 per a week. So no other website will charge as much as this. So once you forgotten to unsubscribe it, it will charge or debit from your account automatically. 3400 rupees will be debited from your account. So it will be charging 3400. So here I will be telling you, some of the persons doesn't know, after installing the app they forgot it, and some of the people don't know how to unsubscribe the app. So for these people I am showing that. So when you click on the free trial, so it will be asking you to going to the Google Play Store and ask you some of the details of the card, and just after unsubscribing it, it's just a normal screen, just predictions, numerology, that's it. But you forgot some of the days you see it, the same thing will happen day to day, and after that you will not forget to uninstall the app. So it will be deducting automatically 3000 to 4000, and some of apps are charging 6000 rupees. So it should be, go to unsubscribe, just go to Google Play Store and find the app you want to unsubscribe. You can find the subscription options in the Google Play Store. Just go to it, and even in the App Store, just click on the subscriptions. Mostly it will be there in Android phones. These apps will be doing in Android Google Play Store, because they will be having uh, these lists and all those things. Cancel subscription, click on cancel subscription, and click on any of the option you wanted to, and just continue, so that you can be cancelled and you'll not be able to debit the money from these apps. So after that, go to the app and also uninstall the app. So this is how you can maintain. Thanks.